Alright, for this 66 Ford Thunderbird rebuilder, what's going to stay is we're going to keep the vinyl roof. Really like the vinyl roof, and I'm going to try to keep all of the chrome around all of the surrounds. I'm thinking I'm going to get rid of this. We're going to try to keep the chrome in here. The paint, I really like the paint, so the paint stays. That was a sales point for me on the purchase. I'm going to go ahead and keep the interior as much as I can the way the original builder had the vision, or I assume the vision. And we're going to keep the engine mostly the same, with the exception of changing a few things by adding a few things.